We wanted to make the play experience more interesting, so we thought, how about we associate few things to people's favorite characters? So Harry Potter came up in our mind. There was Diagon Alley in there.
Yeah.
This guy from 9-3 got it.
Oh, yeah. That's like when he went to Hogwarts.
Yeah. And the thing was, only magicians could see that.
दोस्तों हम आए हुए हैं बर्गर एली इन स्कार्बरो ऑन्टेरियो टोरंटो के बाहर बर्गर एली इज ए स्टैंडर्ड वेस्टर्न बर्गर रेस्टोरेंट विद पाकिस्तानी ट्विस्ट इनके जायके इनके फ्लेवर्स में पाकिस्तानी स्टाइल है ये ओनर्स कराची के हैं तो दे वांटेड टू ब्रिंग कराची स्टाइल टू बर्गर्स इन द वेस्ट तो उनका फैन बेस काफी बड़ा हो गया है इट्स ऑलवेज बिजी इनसाइड We've been recommended कि ये 100% ट्राई करना पड़ेगा इट्स एली शेप और उनका मजे की बात है डेकोर जो है वो हैरी पॉटर थीम पे बना हुआ है तो आए अंदर देखते हैं
So yeah, we came to Canada, we started this business, and then we thought there's another opportunity. And we got comfortable with running this burger alley. We said, okay, why not? Let's just start something which is more our culture thing. And then we brought Prata rolls over.
Great. Well, I can't wait to try.
Definitely.
Just try a burger. आप कौन सा क्या पॉपुलर है यहाँ?
Do you like beef or chicken?
Beef. जब मुझे मौका मिलता है beef खाने का तो इनकार कौन कर सकता? This best seller is an underdog. Underdog and then side कौन सा?
Harry fries is something which is comes with masala seasoning and
that's what I'll do. ठीक है.
Yeah.
I will have the underdog क्योंकि ये आपका classic burger है. And then I'll have alley fries.
Oh, okay, perfect. And you good with lettuce, tomato, pickles, everything?
No pickles.
No pickles.
But बाकी सब कुछ.
So this is Saeed.
Saeed. Assalamualaikum Saeed bhai.
We made our first burger in 25-30 minutes. Because we were new, we didn't know.
Yeah. So now it's down to mashallah, like probably 2 minutes.
We can make 20 burgers.
Wow. अच्छा मैं खड़ा हो सकती हूँ आप तंग नहीं होंगे Very nice. हाँ अगर किसी हलाल रेस्टोरेंट को 2 जगह में होना है एक ये एक Mississauga right? Scarborough Mississauga
Only after the panel, people started moving out of the town.
हाँ yep
So that helped a lot. But Ajax, we tried Pickering, we tried Mississauga multiple times, Milton. Milton, because we were spending too much time going out, driving, so it didn't make sense for us. So how about you? How did you start?
Main motivation ये था actually मेरा सोच ये है जो North American मुसलमान है ना the one thing that unites everybody is halal khana right? Is khana.
Yeah, definitely.
Actually if you're Pakistani all you care about is khana but for all the Muslims in North America halal khana right?
Yeah.
Everyone was looking जब मैं आया था अमेरिका 92 में मैं पैदा यहाँ हुआ था in Canada तब कुछ नहीं मिलता था halal khana
Yeah,
there was
yeah,
nothing
yeah.
right? And the past 30 years I've seen the explosion तो मैंने ये कहा look the thing that unites Muslims most in North America is khana restaurant tours है ना
Yeah.
आपकी तरह
Yeah.
हर एक को पैसा बनाना but a lot of the motivation I've seen is let's give good halal options to people right
Yes.
it's very community service oriented
Yeah.
so मैंने कहा we just want to support them
Yeah.
so we said let's just we enjoy making videos enjoy supporting the Muslim community तो यही हमारा मकसद था
To be honest, it's a great help for everybody. This is also a support for your community. When you
That's true. लोगों को बताना कि what's good and then help the restaurants where we can. ये fries निकल रहे हैं. अच्छा fries पे आप अपना special मसाला डालते हैं.
Yeah. You bring to Karachi and then you'll understand the flavor.
Great.
With the garlic sauce. So back home in Khada Market, there used to be one potato to potato. It's a brand that is
मुझे याद है.
famous. Yeah. Over there, we would usually get late at night their masala fries with garlic mayo. And that was our motivation because that's something that when we opened this business, we wanted to make it different. We wanted to get something, a different option to the customers, not just the regular poutine, a different type of poutine. We have a butter chicken poutine though. Ali fries was something that we as Pakistanis, as from Karachi, we miss those kind of fries a lot because you don't find it over here.
मैंने ये भी देखा कि आपके clientele में it's not all desi, it's not all Muslim. but there's a mixed crowd.
Oh
And,
yes. Burger joints are mostly they have a very diverse.
हाँ देखिए, and it's very, to me it's always interesting that even like a restaurant which is burger mainstream but with Pakistani touch.
Yeah.
Uske बावजूद you have a lot of clientele who are like not necessarily Pakistani.
And I was very surprised when a lot of non-community members,
Yep.
they love our alley fries. That's something that they don't find it over here, and that gives us a unique selling point as well.
Yep.
So that helps a lot.
There are a couple of restaurants in New York that are similar concept, like a Pakistani burger, and their clientele is all over. Right? The
Yeah.
Gore, Chini, everyone comes and loves these. Oh wow! Now it's mixing time.
Yeah.
Mashallah. Wow. This is mayo?
Yeah.
Thank you, Saeed. Oh, sorry, man.
No worries. No worries. Yeah. Very good. Oh, yeah. So my sister came up with the idea, let's just call it an alley, a burger alley, where people will be selling burgers. So let's just call it a burger alley. It was her idea to put some greenery in the it looks more lit when it's winter season.
Yep.
Furniture was my dad, he made it.
He made it?
Yeah, he made it over
Haath se?
Wow. The funny thing is, he's not even a carpenter.
I was going to say,
He's not a carpenter, he's a software engineer. Or when we were in Pakistan, he used to build both ships, launch. Once the industry went south, so he started another profession, IT software engineer. Then when we came here, he found another hobby to build a restaurant, and then
and all the that's beautiful. The woodwork is
this he made it by himself. Even
woodwork
the
is
polishing, he made sure that this is how, so nobody gets hurt.
splinter and curved edges.
It took me days and days.
Wow. No, the decor is great, Marshall.
So yeah, it's just like an ad. We wanted to leave make the place experience more interesting. Or how about we associate few things to people's favorite characters? I mean, no, books.
Yeah.
So Harry Potter came up in our mind. There was Diagon Alley.
Yeah.
Where magicians usually go and
Yeah.
shop for stuff.
They're like their wands and everything. Yeah. All the vendors, that's the wand store. Right?
So we thought, okay, let's just do that then. And then we left subtle clues here and there in the menu, Goblet of Fire. So those kind of burgers, we left it there. And then we put this platform 9 3/4.
Oh, yeah. That's like when he went to Hogwarts.
Yeah. And the thing was, only magicians could see that platform, so only we know the magic.
Very clever. तो दोस्तों हमारा बर्गर आ गया, इसको ट्राई करेंगे. ये इनका अंडरडॉग बर्गर, जो स्टैंडर्ड बर्गर होता है, मैंने ये लिया क्योंकि इनका क्लासिक सबसे पॉपुलर है. मीट पैटी, सॉस, तगड़ा, टिपिकल बर्गर. जबरदस्त. मीट बहुत अच्छा है, सॉस भी बहुत अच्छा है, बन भी वेरी सॉलिड. ये बर्गर खाने के इस काबिल, वेरी गुड. अगर मुझे एक चीज चूज करना पड़ा कि सबसे फेवरेट बात क्या है मेरे इस बर्गर में, वो है सॉस. ये जो सॉस है जो हमने डाला है, फर्स्ट क्लास, बहुत मजेदार, बहुत जायकेदार. तो दोस्तों इस बर्गर की जो आखिरी बात है जो मैं हाईलाइट करना चाह रहा हूँ, वो है मशरूम. जो मशरूम्स डालते हैं, एग्जैक्टली राइट अमाउंट, जरूरत से ज्यादा और कम नहीं, जस्ट राइट अमाउंट. टेस्ट बड़ा अच्छा है, ओवरवेलमिंग नहीं है, बट इट फिट्स राइट इन. Great touch. Underdog burger है. This is great and they have so many others to try. तो आइए जरूर. दोस्तों बर्गर ट्राई कर लिए, बहुत मजे का था. अब हम ट्राई करेंगे एली फ्राइज, कराची स्टाइल एली फ्राइज, जिसमें फ्रेंच फ्राइज, मेयो और मसाला पाउडर डाला है ऊपर. देखते हैं कैसे. वाह, मजेदार. फ्राइज भी अच्छे बने हुए हैं, अच्छे फ्राई के तले हुए हैं. मेयो इज नाइस एंड क्रीमी और मसाला पाउडर इज रियली गुड. बहुत उम्दा, बहुत जायकेदार. Great fries, delicious. So this is your first location.
So this is the first and only location at the moment.
Mashallah.
But inshallah, we will be opening in Mississauga soon.
Oh, good.
Yeah, inshallah. So it's closer to airport, Spectrum Drive.
That's where I'm
We
staying.
just signed the lease, so we started working on the maps, the full floor, and then inshallah, within the next 8 or 10 months, we should be to open up a burger.
great.
Yes. place wasn't that busy. Like this was before it was just Lead Spot and Hafiz Grill.
Uh-huh.
And then we came up, and then Chachi's in this plaza is filled up.
Yeah, there's
There's
like
so many.
Biryani Boss
Biryani
and
Boss, Karachi
Karachi-
Express,
and then the Chai Wala.
Chai Wala. And then there's so many things opening in the food court over here as
Yeah.
well. There's the Royal Pan as well, and
Yeah.
so and Cluck Clucks as well. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's a whole variety that comes. It was more like a Scarborough's Halal Plaza, something like that. Because it's a one-stop where everybody can get
That's
anything. Even this one. So we 8 months before pandemic, and then slowly and gradually we worked ourselves up, keep building our customer base.
Yeah. Acha ji, Khuda Hafiz.
Okay, sir.
Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.